All right, 8th grade math students. So previously we talked about solving systems of linear equations where we have two equations, we have to set them equal to y and then graph them, starting with the y-intercept and then using rise over run to move and find multiple points on our line. And then the solution to that system of equations is always an ordered pair. So where those two lines cross, that ordered pair is the solution that works for both of these equations. Now, of course, we have to have some sort of special system of equations where we are going to do the same thing, but we're going to get different solutions than just having one ordered pair. So in this system of equations, we have the line y equals x plus 2 and y equals x minus 1. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. Both of these are already solved for y, but we're going to graph them. So I'm going to begin with b, and then I'm going to use my slope to tell me where to go next. In this case, I'm going to start at 2. And then my slope is 1 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. And then I'm going to draw my line. Now, when I graph my second line, my y-intercept is -1. So I'm going to start at -1. And my slope is 1 over 1. So again, I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, and continue. Now, usually we're looking for where these two lines intersect. But in this case, they never will intersect because they are what we call parallel lines. This means they have the same slope and different y-intercepts. And because they do not intersect anywhere, they have no solution. There is no ordered pair that will work for both of these lines at the same time. So I'm sure that you can guess what the solution to this system of equations is, but I'm going to show you why and how that works. So this equation needs to be set equal to y, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get y equals 2x plus 1. And then I'm going to graph them, so I'm going to start at b is 1, and then I'm going to use my slope, which is 2 over 1, so up 2 over 1. I can also go down to left 1. And when I do that, I can connect my dots and create this line. And then I'm going to graph the other one, which when I do that, my y-intercept again is 1, and my slope again is 2 over 1. So when I graph this, I actually get the same exact line. This is when we have the same slope and the same y-intercept. So both are the same. And this means that every single ordered pair on those two lines works. So we have infinite solutions. Now, no solution, same slope, different y-intercept. Infinite solution, same slope, same y-intercept. If we have one solution, like we did previously, the slope was different and the y-intercept was different. So now we know when we have one solution, different slope, different y-intercept, we're looking for where they intersect to get one ordered pair. If we have parallel lines that have the same slope, different y-intercept, those will never intersect and therefore there's no solution. And if we have the same line that has the same slope and the same y-intercept, we have infinitely many solutions.